Hello, Chippewa community. My name is Molly Hollihan, and I am the principal of Chippewa Middle School. It was so great to see so many of you at our welcome back night on Monday night. Our halls were filled with students putting things in lockers and touring their schedules and gathering their Chromebooks. There was tons of energy and fun, and it just felt really, really good to have the building full. It's so nice to see everybody. If I didn't get a chance to greet you that night, here is my greeting and my welcome to the 21-22 school year. For those I haven't met yet or who don't know me, my husband Brian and I do live and work in the community. We have 4 sons. Our oldest son has graduated from college 2 years ago and is in the working world in sales and marketing. We have a 9th grader, James, who goes to Mounds View High School, a 7th grader, Luke, who is here at Chippewa, and a 5th grader, Owen, at Turtle Lake Elementary. So 3 kids, 3 buildings. It's going to be a very, very busy year for us. I am thrilled to be in my 3rd year as principal here at Chippewa. I've been in the district for 11 years, first at Highview Middle School as a dean, then here at Chippewa as a dean and as associate principal, and now as the principal. My favorite part about Chippewa is this incredible community. We have supportive parents who are kind and gracious and send us their very, very best kids. So we hope for a wonderful, successful 21-22 school year. Please stop by and introduce yourself to me sometime, parents and students. I will see you soon.